आदाब नाजरीन, INE टुडे न्यूज़ में आपका खैर मकदम करते हैं। आइए देखते हैं ये तफसीलात।
We've officially launched a complaint on Chandrababu Naidu's government with the governor. The very complaint what we launched a few days before in New Delhi with the Central Election Commissionerate, the same complaint has also been launched with the governor here against the state of Andhra Pradesh, against Chandrababu Naidu's government. We literally questioned as to how Chandrababu Naidu's government is misusing the police department and how and why and the need for changing few officials off their duty from the election duties. And we've also impressed upon him as to how 59 lakh duplicate votes are present in the state of Andhra Pradesh and the need for their removal, and how Chandrababu Naidu's government is making use of his official machinery to identify YSRCP supporters and to delete their voters. So we've launched a complaint citing all these factors with all the evidences enclosed, asking the governor to take action. The same very same complaint what we've also registered with the Central Election Commissioner in Delhi a few days ago.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to visit Guntur and TDP is staging a protest over it and calling it as a black day for Andhra. What would you tell on that?
See, what Chandrababu Naidu is doing today, we've done it long back.
Yes.
In fact, when Narendra Modi ji was coming to Andhra Pradesh, I personally sat on a hunger strike for 8 days. This was in 2016, if my memory goes right. Asking for special category status to mount pressure on both state government and central government. But this very Chandrababu Naidu was the man who lifted my Nirahara Diksha, who lifted me from that, from doing that Diksha after 8 days, sending cops at 3 o'clock in the morning, in the early morning, in the dawn hours, at 3 o'clock. So he lifted my my fast. He lifted me from doing that fast. So what he is doing now is only an electoral gimmick.
Okay.
It's totally an electoral gimmick. He was with BJP for 4 years. He had his ministers in BJP government as ministers there in central government. And what was he doing for these 4 years? These 4 years, what was he doing? He had his own ministers in the NDA government. He was literally in relationship with BJP government. What was he doing for these 4 years? What happened to the special category status then? And he was the very person who actually mocked special category status on the floor of the House in the Assembly. In fact, he ridiculed, when we were demanding special category status for these four years, he ridiculed special category status. He made fun of us. He mocked special category status. The same very person now, when the elections are just around the corner, takes a U-turn. You know, this man has got no credibility, this man has got no character. None of them he has.
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आपको यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, उसे क्लिक करिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकॉन को भी क्लिक करिएगा जिससे कि आपको ताजा अपडेट मिलते रहे।